When we talk about culture, now let's talk about work culture.
Okay, okay.
Can you just enlighten us?
Work culture is pretty good, to be honest. I'm not comparing India versus UAE, but I'm just saying as being a person, मैंने इंडिया में काम किया हूँ. I have worked in India, and I have seen that there is a lot of late sittings. There is a lot of tremendous pressure, to be honest, in India working.
Yeah, because digital marketing in India is
very
yes.
well. So it's more like crunching down numbers and achieving the target on day-to-day basis. Yes, it's more of a stressful. It's more of a pressure job. But then because that, and in compared to UAE, it's pretty much more of a एक थोड़ा relaxed environment है. You know what you are doing, and there is no आउटबाउंड प्रेशर, देयर इज इनकमिंग प्रेशर, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मतलब वहाँ पे कोई इनकमिंग प्रेशर नहीं है.
But like when we talk about digital marketing as an industry, like it always demands lot of work.
Yes, output. Yes. So then over there, I would say the technology part comes into picture, wherein it makes it आपका काम easy कर देता है. UAE is always welcoming for newer and newer technologies. They are always open. उन लोगों को उनको चाहिए कि जितना ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी विल मेक आवर वर्क ईजियर एंड द एम्प्लॉयज लाइफ मोर ईजियर एंड गिव आउट बेटर आउटपुट, to be honest. And I have seen that over there, and when I'm working in the UAE, I've seen the incoming of newer and newer technologies that makes our job easier. So that is what they are open.
मतलब वो support कर रहे हैं.
Support करते हैं, yes, of
for
course.
the employees.
And not only the technology, the management as well. So what happens is, if you are stuck at something, they will come back to you. They'll say, okay, हाँ ये होगा, ये नहीं होगा, ठीक है, okay, fine. There are suggestions.
So some realistic approaches.
Everywhere. And it's an open culture, to be honest. You can approach anyone over there, and you can ask for feedback. You can ask suggestions you can take, and they're always helpful because they know they are coming all from a different background. They are all coming from different locations, and everyone is always there to help each other out. And in India, I've seen there's a lot of late sittings and all.
Sunit, let's talk about mental health और work life balance, जो बहुत बड़ा एक
key
topic
aspect.
है.
Yes, is key aspect in a working man's life, working man or woman's life. Yes. So to be honest, when I started working in the UAE, I could see that I found more time where I could devote to my family. I could do मैं एक एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक वर्किंग आउट, गोइंग फॉर अ रन, गोइंग फॉर अ जॉग इन द इवनिंग, और फॉर एग्जांपल मीटिंग माय फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली इन द इवनिंग एज वेल. सो आई कुड डिवोट मोर टाइम वर्किंग इन द UAE because in UAE, to be honest, there is a strict work code, and my job is an 8 to 5 job, and it's a funny situation, but then people don't work after 5:30 to the max. Yes, because they understand that everyone is away from their homes and families, and they respect their employee. They understand that employee का work life balance होना ज़रूरी है. So I have seen personally experienced that when I was working around at 5:15, 5:20. My manager, he came in, my HOD, he came in and he was like, what are you doing? And I'm like, I'm working, I'm finishing things off. Well, no, it's okay. It's 5:30. Go home. Just go home, man. I was like, I just have to. No, it's okay. You can do it tomorrow. There is no urgency because see, they understand that not everything can be done in one day. Not सब कुछ एक दिन में नहीं कर सकते हैं हम. So you have to allocate time, and they understand that it has been a busy day. They understand that the employee is working hard. They understand that the employee is giving their best to the organization, and so some things are left pending. Some things can be taken on in the next day, and
I think the approach of working in stipulated timeline, maybe like setting realistic goals with your clients as well.
Yes.
Which will actually help employees.
Absolutely.
अगर client को बोला है 5 दिन है तो you can tell your employees कि आप 2-3 दिन में करो. So even
plan your work accordingly so that you are not stressed.